In today's video, I'll show you how to get the best Windows 11 settings for your low-end laptop or PC. So at first, I have a list over here that shows exactly what we need to do step by step. At first, we need to fix the advanced settings. So at first, just go to your search and search for View Advanced Settings. And you'll find View Advanced System Settings in the best match. Just open it from here. And after you do just that, you'll find computer name and everything over here. From here, you need to go inside the Advanced tab. Then under here, you'll find Performance, which basically is the visual effects, processing scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. Just click on Settings over here. And after that, you'll get a wide variety of options from here. Just make sure you're on the Visual Effects tab. From here, make sure to just select Adjust for Best Performance and click on Apply, click on OK. This will make sure you have the best performance in your Windows 11. And after that, just let's go to the next step. It says Disable Startup Apps. So just minimize it again. Then just go ahead and right click on your taskbar. Then just go to Task Manager. Then just expand this section. From the left hand menu, you'll find a hamburger menu. Just click on it. Then just go to Startup Apps. From here, you're gonna find the status of some apps as enabled. Those are the apps that start on startup. If you don't want them to start on startup, just right click on them and click on disable. And they will not start on startup then. Just do it for all the apps that you don't need to be turning on at startup. And after that, just let's move to the next step. Change the power settings. So to do this, just minimize it. Just go to search and type for settings. From the best matches, just open up settings. Expand this. Then from the left hand side, just go inside system. From here, you need to go inside power. And after you're in power, you'll find an option called power mode. Just expand this. From here, it's gonna be set to balanced. Make sure to select best performance. This is gonna make sure you have the best performance in your Windows 11. And after that, just minimize this and just go to our list again. Then the next setting is fix the transparency. So to do this, just go back to your desktop, right click on it, then just go to personalize. And after you're here, you just need to go inside colors. From here, you will find an option called transparency effect. Just turn this off. And after you've done that, you need to go to the left-hand menu and just go to accessibility. From here, just go inside visual effects. And from here, you'll find an option called transparency effect. And if it's on, just turn this off. And then just close this. Then just go back to our list and it says clear storage. To do that, just go ahead and open up your settings again. Just search for settings and open it. Then from the left-hand menu, just go inside system again. From here, you'll find storage under power. Just click on it. Click on yes if it asks for administrator permission. And then just allow it to load your system files and everything over here. And after it does, under storage management, you'll find storage sense. Just make sure storage sense is turned on. And after that, under that, you'll find cleanup recommendations. Just go inside this. And after you have done just that, just go to see advanced settings here at the bottom. Just click on it. From here, you'll see everything that you can delete. Just select everything from here, including the recycle bin. Then just click on remove files. And it will remove 2.21 GB for me. It's gonna be different for your system. Then just close this. After you have cleared your storage, just go back to the list again. Now it says remove unnecessary apps. To do this, what you have to do is just go to search again and search for add or remove programs and just open it from the best match. And after you have done that, you'll find a list of installed apps. Just find the apps that you don't need and just click on uninstall on them. Then Windows 11 will uninstall the unnecessary app for you. Then just close it again. Now go back to the list and from the last step, you're gonna see update Windows. Now to do this, we need to go ahead and open up our settings again. So just go to search and type for settings. Then from the best match, just open up settings. And after we have done just that, just go to Windows Update here at the left side. And as you can see, it says I'm already up to date, but I can just click on check for updates. And then Windows is going to check for the latest version of updates that is available for me. And it's going to allow me to download and install it. You guys have to do the same thing. Just do it. And after that, just go ahead and restart your computer. And basically, that is how to get the best settings for your Windows 11 low-end laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.